This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the core tools, the Zotero desktop app and the Zotero connector extension in your browser. Once done, sign into your Zotero account so your library is available across devices. Make sure the connector is enabled. It injects the Google Docs integration. Now open both Zotero and a browser window with Google Docs. This immediate parallel setup lets the connector detect docs and prepares you for inserting citations right away, which is the first actionable step. Once you have Zotero running and the connector enabled, open your Google Doc. You will see a Zotero menu or a small toolbar button. Click Add/Edit Citation to begin. Choose your citation style, then type to search your Zotero library or drag items from the desktop app. Select the correct entry and press Enter to insert. Make sure you sync any new items first, because syncing ensures completeness and accurate metadata, which prevents citation errors later in the document. To finish, insert your bibliography with Add/Edit Bibliography and use Refresh to update citations after edits. Zotero recalculates formats and order automatically. Make sure you choose the correct output style and review the bibliography for any missing fields. If the Zotero menu does not appear, try this key troubleshooting tip. Disable and re-enable the Zotero connector extension, restart your browser, and confirm the connector has permission to access file URLs. This usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.